receive the award for the face of the night, may request SK Chairman, Honorable Angelo Pugoy Pagayaman, and of course our SK Treasurer, Rosalind G. Rojas.
Our face of the night. Congratulations. Candidate number 2. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our best in evening gown.
To give the award, may request our Punong Barangay Honorable Maria Celeste Pugoy and our Liga ng mga Barangay President, the Honorable Rowena Tuyor.
Our best in evening gown goes to candidate number 6. Congratulations, ladies! And now, at this point, we will now announce our top 5 to advance our next level of our competition tonight. So I will announce our top 5 in no particular order. Our top 5. First, we have, please step forward, candidate number 8. Join us on stage. Please help me welcome our next top 5. Candidate number 6. Next, we have candidate number 1. Please join us. Candidate number 2. And to complete our top 5, congratulations! Please step forward, candidate number 3. Okay, so mauni ang atong top 5. Okay, at this point, we will proceed to our final question and answer portion. Okay. Candidate number 1, please pick your judge number. Your judge number is judge number 5.
Sound.
Hello, candidate number buta-buta. One. Sorry. How are you tonight, number one?
A little bit nervous, but it's okay.
Ready na ka sa question?
Yes.
Okay, I will read the question twice for you to hear clearly. Okay, here's your question. How can you describe the beauty of nature to a blind person? Again. How can you describe the beauty of nature to a blind person?
Thank you for that question. Nature's beauty, even beyond sight, is a sensory symphony where the whispering winds carry stories. The rhythmic patter of rains narrates a timeless quotes. And the fragrance of blooming flowers that paints a pictures of life's vibrancy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number one. Next, we have candidate number two. Pick your judge number. Your judge number is judge number 7.
Judge number 7 is the chairman of the Board of Judges, the Honorable John Philip Nebrea.
Hi, candidate number 2. Hi.
Hi.
Okay. So for answer your question, how will you use the Miss Marcelo platform to promote global gender equality? I repeat, how will you use the Miss Marcelo platform to promote global gender equality?
As Ms. Marcelo, I would utilize platform to advocate the global to advocate the global gender equality by using my platform to raise awareness about the issues that young people thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Next, we have candidate number 3. Kindly pick your judge. Your judge is judge number 6.
Judge number 6 is the former SK Federated President of Dawis, Honorable John Lopez Macabulos.
Hi, candidate number 3. Congratulations. And as well as the other candidates, congratulations for your active participation. And kay salamat no sa akong former SK Federated of Mabini, Bohol for inviting me. Murag ikaduha na nako ni nga munisipyo yun. Mabini, ikaduha na ako munisipyo. Because way back, nga mga SK Federated me, suod kaayo me sa inyong organizer. And of course, congratulations ahead sa atong SK Marcelo officials. Dili lalim magdala og event. Labi na sa SK. If wala kabalo ang mga tao dili sa Marcelo, nga ang SK should have the financial independence when it comes to the operation sa budget. So, dili nga na kasayon. So, kudos sa tanang council sa SK Marcelo. Congratulations. Anyways, huwag nagkuhan naman ko, naman panya. Anyways, here's a question. If you win tonight, what would you contribute for betterment of Marcelo Youth Organization? I'll repeat. If you win tonight, what would you contribute for betterment of Marcelo Youth Organization?
If I will win tonight, I will contribute.
Palihog tagkuan, extra mic, so we can hear the answer of candidate number 3. Thank you.
If I will win tonight, I will contribute for betterment for Marcelo Youth Organization by using my platform
It's okay, candidate number 3.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. At this point, we have candidate number 6. Please pick your judge number. Your judge is judge number 1.
Judge number 1 is Dr. Maria Luisa L. Umasas.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, good evening, candidate number 6. How are you?
Nervous.
Okay, here's your question. What qualities and values guide you as a leader and role model for others? I repeat, what qualities and values guide you as a leader and role model for others?
As a leader and a role model, I believe in leading by example, showing kindness, understanding, and determination in everything I do. I strive to inspire others to reach their dreams and overcome their challenges. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 6. And now our last but definitely not the least, we have candidate number 8. Please pick your judge. Your judge number is judge number 2.
Judge number 2 is Sir Edwin Ayot Tior.
Hello, candidate number 8. How are you tonight?
So nervous, but I'm confident.
Yeah, this is your question. What is the relevance of having beauty pageant in our society? Again, what is the relevance of having beauty pageant in our society?
Beauty pageant hold relevance in society by empowering women, promoting confidence, advocating for social issues, and celebrating advertising. And as Miss Marcelo 2024, I will do my best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our top 5 in the Q&A version. Okay. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will give certificate of appreciation to our board of judges.
Republic of the Philippines, Province of Bohol, Municipality of Mabini, Barangay Marsalo, Sangguniang Kabataan Marsalo.